Hello students, today we shall solve some numerical problems based on the chapter light. At first we shall give a quick revision to the sign conventions, how signs are placed. Please give attention them and number 1, you know u is object distance, so it is always negative. We shall always place negative sign with the object distance, that is with the u. Second is v, which is image distance. I think you know the meaning, or shall I write it? It is image distance, and u is object distance. This is different for mirror and for mirror. If image is virtual, that is erect, then v is always positive. If it is real or inverted, then v is always negative. U is always negative for all type of the mirror and lens. V is negative for real and inverted image, while in the lens it is opposite, that is for virtual and erect image in lens, we are discussing v, that is negative. For real and inverted image it is positive. Third one is h, which is height of object, which is represented by h. It is always positive, and these are not written anywhere, you will write them properly. Then height of image, which is written as h dash. That height of image is different. For virtual and erect it is positive, for real or inverted it is negative. Fifth is magnification, which is represented by m. That is also similar to the height of the image, that is for virtual and erect image it is positive, and for real and inverted image it is negative. So for placing various sign, we shall always remember these 5 points. Object distance, that is u, is always negative whether it is lens or mirror. Image distance, that is v, is positive for virtual image in mirror and real image in lens, and negative for real image in mirror and virtual image in lens. Height of the object h is always considered positive. Height of image, which is written h dash, or some write it by h1, that is always positive for virtual or erect image whether it is lens or mirror, and negative for real image. Same with the magnification m, positive for virtual and erect image, negative for real and inverted image. So this is first step. Then we shall revise formulae. Various formulae. Formulae used in this chapter. Number 1, mirror formula. Which is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Lens formula. Which is 1 by V, at the place of minus there is plus, 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Linear magnification. Which is represented by M. For mirror, it is M is equal to H dash by H is equal to minus V by U. Linear magnification, that is M for lens, which is M is equal to H dash by H is equal to V by U. There is minus sign, there is no minus sign. And fifth is power, which is represented by P, is equal to 1 by F, and F is equal to 1 by P. There is no need to more explanation because we have already studied mirror formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. U is object distance, V is image distance, F is focal length. Lens formula, these signs are changed. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, where again same meaning. And linear magnification, M is equal to H dash by H is equal to minus V by U. H dash is height of image, H is height of object. And linear magnification for lens, M is equal to H dash by H is equal to V by U. Power is equal to 1 by F and F is equal to 1 by P. M is magnification and F should be in meter. F should be in meter. Should be in meter. Then there are two more important points to remember. That is written, to remove it. They are concave mirror and convex lens. And convex lens, both. Number 1 are converging. Number 2, both form virtual as well as real image, and convex mirror and concave lens, both are diverging and both form only virtual, and its mean erect itself, and smaller image. And so thus concave mirror and convex lens both are converging. They converge the light rays, they form virtual and erect as well as real and inverted image. Therefore, sizes can be small, equal or enlarged. convex mirror and concave lens both are diverging and they form only virtual and erect image, smaller image, etc. One more sign I think that I must told you is in sign convention, one point is left that focal length that is f and power that is p and radius of curvature, all threes are negative for concave. If it is concave, whether concave mirror or concave lens, all these are negative, and positive for convex, whether convex mirror or convex lens, they are positive. These are related with each other. You know, focal length is half of the radius of curvature, power is reciprocal of focal of length, so thus all these three are related. All these three are negative in concave and positive in convex. So if we revise all these things, sign convention formulae, then we are ready to solve the numericals. Now we shall try some numericals. Question 1. At 2 centimeter tall object is placed, it is a 2 centimeter, a 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from lens is 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of image. Also find magnification. Now solution. In solution, at first write down the data which are given. A 2 centimeter tall object. It is tall means h. Sometimes we get confused between distance and size. Size, tallness, that is h or h dash, and distance, that is u or v. So here it is object, therefore height of object, that is h, is equal to 2 centimeter, is placed perpendicular to principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. It is focal length of convex is 10 centimeter, and I have told recently that in concave focal length is negative and in convex it is positive. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Distance of the object is represented by u, which is 15 centimeter, and we know that distance of the object is always negative, so it is 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of object. What we have to find? Nature, we have to find nature, we have to find position of image, that is v, we shall write in short. We have to find v, and size of image means h dash we have to find, and magnification we have to find. So we are given three things: h 2 centimeter, it means plus 2 centimeter, f plus 10 centimeter, u minus 15 centimeter. We have to find four things: nature of image, v, that is distance of the image, h dash, that is size of image, and m, that is magnification. So now we shall think which formula we can use. We know f and u, so we can find v. We know that 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Therefore in this we have to find v. So 1 by v will become 1 by f, this u will become minus 1 by u. In next line, so 1 by v is equal to 1 by f, means 1 by 10 with the sign of minus, it is minus, and 1 by u means 1 by minus 15. So next line it will become 1 by v is equal to, this minus will become plus, or we can find LCM is 30, 3 minus plus, so it will become 5. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u, and 1 by v is equal to 1 by f is 1 by 10 minus this. So 3 plus 2, which is, there is something problem, I think it is lens is convex lens or not. It is convex lens. Yes. Oh, formula is wrong. Yes. It is for lens, so it is minus, and when it is minus, so it will become plus, and it will become plus, and here it will become minus. Plus minus is minus, so it is 1 by 30, and if we reverse, v is equal to plus 30 centimeter, because all digits are in centimeter. So what is the meaning of plus 30 centimeter? It is convex lens, therefore image will be, we have find this one, image will be formed at 30 centimeter on other side of the lens. So answer number 1 is answer, image distance image is formed 30 centimeter away on other side of lens. First point we have find, then we have to find h dash and other things. So we know that magnification we can find, and the value of magnification is this, we can say it is first part. In second part, magnification is ratio of the VU as well as H dash and H. So we have find V and we have already U. So magnification M is equal to V by U, that is M is equal to, what is the value of V? Value of V is plus 30 centimeter and value of U is minus 15 centimeter. So it is equal to, V is plus 30, so it is equal to minus 2 centimeter, or we net centimeter will be cancelled, magnification is only minus 2. So what is thus this magnification we have find, and minus magnification shows that image is real and inverted. So the second answer is that answer magnification is minus 2. This also shows nature of the image. C, nature of image is real, and because real, therefore real and inverted. Why? Because M is minus 2. And then what is left? We have find nature, we have find V, H dash is left. H dash, we know that M is equal to H dash by H, or H dash is equal to M into H, or in next line H dash is equal to M. M is minus 2 and H is 2. So therefore H dash is minus 4 centimeter. Now this H dash is equal to minus 4 doesn't show the height of the image is minus 4, that is it is lower than 0, because it can't be lower than 0. This shows that height of image is 4 centimeter and minus sign shows that it is inverted, and because it is inverted, therefore it is real, which we have already decided. So, height of image is 4 centimeter. Image is real and inverted. So this is the solution of the whole question. We shall be careful while solving numericals. Next question. Question 2. A concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance? At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens. Also find magnification produced by the lens. Solution. At first see what are given. Now a concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. Given our focal length, it is 15 centimeter because lens is concave, therefore negative minus 15. It is not 10, it is 15 minus 15 centimeter. One data is given. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed? He is asking distance of the object, that is u. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter? Here image is formed at 10 centimeter from the lens. It is concave lens, and you know that concave lens form only virtual image. So therefore there will be minus sign. So it is minus 10 centimeter. Also find magnification. So now we are given f is equal to minus 10, v is equal to minus 10 centimeter. We have to find u and m. So you will decide how will you find. So you will use the formula which is a lens formula, and lens formula will be your 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Now we have to find 1 by u. So we shall take that u on one side, so it will become positive 1 by u and is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f. So if we place the values, 1 by u is equal to 1 by v, that is 1 by minus 10, minus sign, value of this 1 by minus 15, these minus become plus. So that is 1 by u is equal to 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by 15. LCM is 30 and here it is minus 3 plus 2. So it is minus 1 by 30. So this is value of the u, 1 by u. And what will be the u? U is equal to reverse minus 30 centimeter. We know that u is always negative and our answer is also coming negative. It means it is correct. So answer, object should be placed be placed at 30 centimeter on left side of lens. Now we have calculated this, then we have to find m, and we know in second part m is equal to v by u. What is the value of v? This minus 30. And what is the value of u? Minus 30. And value of v, value of v is, this is value of v is minus 10, and value of u is minus 30. So minus is cancelled by minus, both are in centimeter, they are also cancelled. So it is left 1 by 3, that is plus 1 by 3. So it is plus 1 by 3, which is equal to plus 0.333. So this is magnification, and what we have to require is magnification. So this shows that image is virtual and erect. So here distance we have calculated. However, nature is not asked, but if you want you can write it is virtual, and this is another answer. Image is virtual, erect, because it is positive, and because it is lower than 1, therefore it is also smaller than object. So you will do the practice of numericals. They are very easy if you follow only some points which I told you in starting of today's class in mind. Thank you.